To sign up for the EveryDollar envelope system, start by going to the EveryDollar website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name and email address. Once you have entered your information, you will be prompted to create a password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to keep your account secure. After creating your account, you will be taken to the EveryDollar dashboard where you can start setting up your budget. The EveryDollar envelope system is based on the zero-based budgeting method, which means that every dollar you earn is assigned to a specific category or envelope. To set up your envelopes, start by categorizing your expenses into different groups such as housing, transportation, and food. You can then assign a specific amount of money to each envelope based on your income and expenses. For example, if you earn $4,000 per month and you want to allocate $1,500 to housing, you would assign $1,500 to your housing envelope. You can then use this amount to pay for your rent or mortgage, utilities, and other housing-related expenses. One of the key benefits of the EveryDollar envelope system is that it helps you stick to your budget by only allowing you to spend the amount of money that you have allocated to each category. This can help you avoid overspending and stay on track with your financial goals. To get the most out of the EveryDollar envelope system, make sure to regularly review and update your budget to reflect any changes in your income or expenses. You can also use the EveryDollar mobile app to track your spending and stay on top of your finances on the go. By following these steps and using the EveryDollar envelope system, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always prioritize needs over wants and make sure to save for emergencies and long-term goals. With discipline and patience, you can achieve financial freedom and live a more secure and stable life.